Hi, I'm Eric with Colonial Saw. Next to me is Rob. We're at Parenti Raffaelli, one of the premier suppliers of architectural millwork, not just here in Chicago, but in the U.S. Behind us is a control from STRIEBIG, and it's not the first STRIEBIG you've purchased, but the third. Why is it that Parenti has purchased so many STRIEBIGs?
Because they're like the workhorse of a panel saw, and this new one here has some really great features we like. It's an excellent saw to use and work with.
So Rob, this is a large facility where you have a storage system feeding a CNC router, feeding a beam saw. You would think with all this automation, why do you need a STRIEBIG?
Because we still do medium-sized jobs to small jobs that require the same amount of accuracy that this saw gives us. So it's just another tool in helping us achieve the best product we can.
So it doesn't just complement, it provides redundancy, and it provides a way to do small and medium-sized work.
Correct. The repetition cuts on here are fantastic, cuts down on time, and just the overall cutting in the machine is extremely accurate. The automatic stop is phenomenal. It's got the laser line.
So that would help you be more accurate, set up faster, overall easier to use.
Yes, way easier to use. With the automated stop, it's just incredible. You could just move the other way. Not like we're used to have to flip the stop, move it by hand. It saves time unbelievably.
Wow, that's great feedback.